Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of the poem. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. We already done its part A, so let's move towards part B, that is working with words. Look at the following words and discuss their meanings. First word is raise. Raise means to move something higher. Next word is read. Read mean to interpret written material. Show mean to cause or allow something to view. Find mean to discover something. Strike mean to hit somebody or something. Write two sentences of each word above using the word in a different way each time. First word is raise. First sentence is they raised such a noise that everybody woke up. Second sentence is we are raising money for the poor. Next word is read. A large sign on the electric pole read danger. I am reading for midterm papers. Next word is show. The teacher showed us the solution to the problem. Show me your hand. Next word is find. I found my lost book under the table. You will find my parents very pleasant and easygoing. Last word is strike. She struck a match to light the stove. The car struck a tree. Synonyms. Do you remember the word synonyms? A synonym is a word which has the same meaning as another. Example, vanish is the same as disappear. Rich is the same as wealthy. कि ऐसे अल्फाज जिनके मीनिंग एक जैसे होते हैं उनको हम सिनोनिम्स कहते हैं. मैड, इंसेन, रिप्लाई, आंसर, सेंटर, मिडल, टॉप, सुमिट, असिस्ट, हेल्प. Think of a synonyms for each of the words in the list below. Inquire, ask, seize, stop, moist, damp, intelligent, clever, strong, powerful, enormous, huge, slim, thin, generous, benevolent. C part is about learning about language, subject and predicate. Write suitable subjects before each of these predicates. First one is the policeman caught the thief red-handed. Subject is policeman and the next sentence is predicates. The maid cleaned the dirty floor. The leader was willing to take the bull by the horns. My brother had to find another job. Write infinitives in the following sentences. Shoaib and Nadir decided to go on a picnic. To go is infinitive in this sentence. They asked their mother to give them some food. To give. They told her they wanted to swim in the river. To swim. I don't want you to catch cold, she said. To catch. Rewrite these sentences. Use an infinitive instead of underline words. यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन किए हुए हैं, उनकी जगह पे हमने इन्फिनेटिव्स लगा के इनको रीराइट करना है. जैसे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज शी वांट्स आ स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून. इसको जब हम रीराइट करेंगे तो शी वांट्स टू स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून. The dog was overjoyed at the sight of his master. The dog was overjoyed to see of his master. At the sight को काट देंगे, to see आ जाएगा इसकी जगह पे. Maya asked if she could borrow some sugar. Maya asked to borrow some sugar. If she could को काटेंगे और to लगाएंगे. The children laughed when they saw the tricks of the monkey. The children laughed to see the tricks of the monkey. ये लाइन काट देंगे. Sheila was told that she must come home early. Sheila was told that that to must come home early. Composition. Have you ever had to choose between two things? Did you make the right choice or the wrong one? I once had to choose between a box of good books and a few bicycles. My father had given me the choice to have any one of them for my birthday. My heart wanted the bicycle so much, but instead I decided to take the books. I am glad I made that decision. Those books have proved to be a good source of knowledge and entertainment. I could have used the bicycle for a few years, but the knowledge gained through these books shall benefit my whole life. Next topic is write a letter to a friend telling him or her about something you have just done. Before you start, these all points keep into your mind. Dear Ali, Assalamu alaikum. I am here in Lahore wishing you and your family a very happy new year. You must be surprised by hearing this from me, but the fact is I made silly decision and I think it will cost me dearly during the next year and so. So I am keeping my hopes quite low for the year to come. As you know, I share my birthday with Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We both were born on 25th of December. Just like every year, my father asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I reminded him that he had promised to get me a bicycle. When I turned 10, he agreed and we both went to the shop for a bicycle. The store had a vast variety of them, caught my eye. After much browsing, I finally narrowed my choice down to two cycles. One of them was very flashy, decorated with fanciful colors, ribbons, and flowers. It had a charming basket in front and a musical bell. The other did not look quite so showy, but it seemed to have stronger build. I wanted it, but against my better judgment, I opted for the flashy one. The only reason for my choice was that I wanted to impress my class fellows. It was a stupid reason, and my father told me so. Finally, I gave up and bought me the bicycle I wanted. Finally, he gave up bicycle I wanted, and it took just 2 days for the cycle to break down. On my way to school, its handle just bent into side and refused to straighten up. I had to bear the humility of my class fellows seeing my new bicycle all crooked up. My father refused to help me in this. He said that the buying this cycle was my own decision and now I shall bear the consequences on my own. I had it repaired, but the workman told me that it will be continue to give me problems. I think I shall have to struggle against its ailments till my next birthday, and possibly my father shall not buy me another cycle even then. Anyway, I made a decision and and now I should bravely face it. After math, I shall wait for your answer and please don't express any sympathy over this. It will only make me feel more guilty. Pay my respect to all your parents and friends. Best wishes, your friend.